So let's get it. Yeah, welcome everybody. My name is Mark. I'm one of the regional directors here by SAFIR Global. Today, I hope the last time with my COVID voice. Yeah, so a little bit affected the last days, but I'm hopeful that you can hear me well. Yeah, so welcome everybody, and let's get into the content. What is it about? Yeah, our opportunity with SAFIR Global, with these massive partnerships we will talk about, and the massive timing opportunity. Right now, we are in the countdown, 10 days only left, yeah, to the next level event. Yeah, so what is this about? How you can participate, and what are the key factors of this? We will learn today. So first of all, let's jump into the disclaimer. Yeah, so I'm very proud, and that's why I'm here, that this is not one of these pop-up companies, investment companies, you know, last 7-8 years, a lot of these are coming and going. They are promising ROI here, ROI there. Yeah, so that's not what we are talking about. We will talk about the Apple of the blockchain. We will talk about the media market of the blockchain. Yeah, we will talk about real products, hardware, technology. Yeah, and the whole crypto market, guys, the whole crypto market with thousands of projects and coins and tokens and all the stuff is not half worth of one single technology company like Apple. Yeah, so not even half. Yeah, the whole crypto market compared to one technology company worldwide. And that's what you need to think about. Yeah, we are in the Champions League, we are in technology, and you will see one of the craziest and major layer 1, layer 2 crypto ecosystems in the world. Okay, so that's what we're talking about. And the second disclaimer is a traditional crypto disclaimer, and you can see it in the last 24 hours. Again, massive volatility, yeah, on the crypto market with Ethereum, with Bitcoin, yeah, going up, going down, going anywhere. And that's why only 3% of the population of the world are crypto user. What happened with the 97%, and how we can get them into this industry with real values, with real assets, with multi-trillion-dollar values. And they are not in the crypto space. We know they are coming up in the new crypto space. And this big chapter will be opened in November. Yeah, with the tokenization event. I will talk about this later in Burj Khalifa in Dubai by Zeniq Technologies hosted. Yeah, so not a networking event, an asset owner event, company event, tokenization event, yeah, of its finest. And this is our networking event. That's our direct selling division, SAFIR Global, on the next level with this massive partnership with Zeniq Technology, and this will have so much impact, so much, completing features, masterpieces, we will see here. And with that said, let's talk a bit about Zeniq Technologies. Yeah, so they are a technology-based company, own blockchain, own smart chain, own exchanges, own tokenization platforms, own application 2.0 is only days ahead. Yeah, and we can't wait to see the new application, the Zeniq swap, and all these features on this coming, not coming, but this 17 September weekend. So they are sitting in Dubai in the International Financial Center, but it's not a financial company. You can't invest, you can't buy anything by Zeniq Technologies. Yeah, you can buy masternodes, Zeniq hubs, and other tech products, hardware products by SAFIR Global. Yes. Yeah, if it comes to financial services, we have here several cooperation partners from the finance and banking sector, for the virtual IBAN connection of the Zeniq hub, the debit card, fiat crypto card, and also other possibilities to make wire transfers, to make a deposit in your back office and things like that. Yeah, for that, there are financial service partners from the banking and finance sector. So let's talk about technology. Let's talk about something what you will not find a second time in combination with direct selling or even network marketing. Yeah, so it's amazing to know there are a lot of blockchains out there, but this blockchains is very fast. Yeah, so 50,000 transactions per second. That's massive. Bitcoin 7 per second, Ethereum 23 to 26 per second, Binance Chain 55 to 60 per second, Tron 2,000 already, very fast. But 50,000 is massive, okay? So, and the second layer, aside of the blockchain, yeah, you can call it also a second blockchain, a smart contract platform, is the Zeniq smart chain, up to 10,000 transactions fast, yeah? And also EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, compatible, smart and cross-chain, yeah? So faster, 1,000 times faster than Ethereum, and the revolutionary cheapest transaction fee you can imagine, even cheaper than Binance Chain, than Polygon, than Phantom, than Avalanche. So the most popular EVM compatible chains in the world. So that's huge. Speed, fantastic. Yeah, the transaction fee, a fraction of a cent, yeah. So you can make microtransactions, you can make gaming, you can make everything, you can build smart contracts, Web3, token projects, own SEN20 token standard like Ethereum has ERC20 or Binance Chain has BEP20. So everything what a company, what a project needs is here and more. But if it comes to the customer of a project, yeah, of a coin, of a token project, then is also the question, yeah, how they can access, how they can buy, how they can sell, how they can swap, how they can send, yeah, and what kind of other services you can offer those customers from every single project which will come to your ecosystem. And that is huge, what we will see on September 17. But look at this ecosystem, guys. Yeah, so I mentioned already, yeah, the crypto world is not that big. Yeah, it's a billion, not a billion. Yeah, it's in English a trillion market cap. Yeah, all the cryptos together, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 1,000 others together, around about a trillion. Yeah, market cap, whole crypto industry. So the tokenization, and this ecosystem was built for tokenization, for the marketplace, yeah, for the smart chain, yeah, to run on the smart chain with the specific token standard. Yeah, this ecosystem, yeah, and the next generation of crypto will be with the tokenization, and this is huge. Yeah, we have different joint venture partners, yeah, to announce very soon. I mentioned the big event for tokenization is in November 13 in Dubai, and NFT platform. Commodities, gold, diamonds, real estate for sure, a massive big point. Yeah, so with a few big real estate projects tokenized, you are $1 billion blockchain, and imagine how many assets can be stored in tokenizing assets on the blockchain compared to the missing value, the missing backup of all those cryptocurrencies without any gold standard, without any house, airplane, ship, sport brand, or whatever you can tokenize. So this is where the big money is coming in, the big value is coming in, and all those asset-backed tokens will run on the Zeniq smart chain, will be listed on the Zeniq exchanges. Yeah, the big first real decentralized exchange and the Zeniq swap, like Uniswap, like PancakeSwap. So we have two different categories. One is ready and will be launched on this coming September weekend on this event, yeah, 17. And a few months later, the big decentralized exchange, yeah, not a swap, yeah, real decentralized exchange, yeah, and this is one of its kind. Yeah, staking category, minting category, Zeniq debit card category, everything accessible in the application 2.0. So this will be the most advanced application with so many features, and let me add also surprise features nobody expect. Yeah, but we will talk about this on September 17, and it will be mind-blowing. So you need only a one-day fly to Dubai. The back fly, you will fly without a plane for sure. Yeah, so this is so huge, this is so massive, and not only hot air like so many network MLMs, crypto-related MLMs yeah, showing the an ecosystem with shopping center with any bullshit, sorry, yeah, but nothing is behind, yeah, only story, blah blah blah. So not a real ecosystem, decentralized, and this is what Zeniq has here to offer. Yeah. Then we have these categories also inside the application: access to minting, access to staking, and yeah, many of us yeah, having experience already with the Zeniq coin minting. Yeah, and the newest project, yeah, I will show and explain in a minute. Yeah, the Tupan project, and this is so amazing. But you can produce multiple income streams without multiple expenses. Like in Bitcoin mining, you have massive electricity expenses, you have insurance, you have the place to rent where you put all your hardware in. Yeah, so then every 2-3 years you need to buy to renew the hardware, yeah, but it's overused. So here you have no expenses, zero expenses. Yeah, you have in-house hosting, yeah, and for 10+ years you can produce on a daily basis your tokens, yeah, without any expenses, not even internet connection, yeah. Or you have this home device and you are minting by your side at home. Then you have a little bit, yeah, like for a laptop, accu or something like this, yeah, electricity needed and the internet connection for sure, yeah. So, but if you do it in-house, no expenses, and every day you collect your token and you can sell them anytime without any limit or any freezing or something like that. You can access and you can sell anytime. Okay, Tupan, that's the newest minting project. So step by step, add-on by add-on, we will see fantastic real-world projects. Yeah, and all those projects, they will have a mechanism, okay, mechanism to take care that the demand, what is needed by every single cryptocurrency, yeah, is guaranteed. Okay, and that's the biggest problem. You never in 100 years will see a network token or coin being successful outside of this community. There will not be a demand. I will never be so stupid to buy a network marketing token, yeah, from networkers, yeah, where I know there are 10,000 or 100,000 or even millions of people willing to sell a token to make money, yeah, but to whom? Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, so you need a demand, you need use cases, you need mechanics behind which giving value, producing value, creating cash flow, yeah, or burning in combination. Cash flow and burning together is the best solution. Okay, so that is about the Amazonas rainforest, and it's the most important ecosystem of planet Earth, and we need to take care. We need to take care. Yeah, and the first step, it is about 369,000 hectares of rainforest, Amazonas rainforest, yeah, where they start with, and then they buy more and more land. And now listen carefully what we're talking about. Yeah, so it's not a fantasy story, it's a huge economy story. Yeah, and everything what is needed in the next decades, what is necessary, what is important in the next decades is a part of this concept. Yeah, and the backup of this Tupan community token is created by an SEC, yeah, United States SEC regulated investment fund, guys. This is the backup, okay? Not a network marketing company, an SEC regulated investment fund with ownership of land. Yeah, and I know you or many of you, they know the big success stories, the big stock market gurus, how they invested in real estate, and then from these earnings, they bought more real estate, and they duplicated over decades, massive ownership of real estate. That's good, that's an asset, yeah? So it's increased in price over many years and decades, yeah? So, and land, specifically rainforest, yeah, has an own value. Why? You get supported as an owner of rainforest land with CO2 certificates for carbon trading. Yeah, if you take care of this forest, or if you upgrade this forest, yeah, if you restore this forest, yeah, you will be recognized again and again with these CO2 certificates, and this is cash. This is cash, guys. Yeah, so that's more funny than real estate, but you don't need to build a real estate. You get recognized with CO2 certificates, and you can sell them on the carbon trading markets worldwide to the industry companies, to the airlines, to all those companies which are producing emissions, and they are getting like a penalty they need to buy the CO2 certificates and projects, yeah, supporting nature, reforestation, etc. Yeah, they will be recognized with this. And this is a huge industry. Also, the Chinese, very clever, yeah, are getting more and more land, rainforest, yeah, and knowing how big this business is. Yeah, so the Tupan Investment Fund, SEC regulated here, Forest AU, Green LLC, yeah, so fantastic backup concept. And now listen carefully. So what are they doing? Yeah, so purchase of land with intact rainforest and reforestation of destroyed habitats. So it's a non-stop process, yeah, non-stop owning more land. But not only owning, yeah, or restoration or conservation on this, yeah, to create more and more CO2 certificates for carbon trading. On the other side, yeah, ecological agriculture productivity, yeah, can be bee honey, yeah, other food products, medicine, nature medicine products, cosmetic products. So everything what the world needs. The food prices worldwide exploding. Yeah, people need to eat. The population is increasing. We have war. Yeah, we have energy crisis. We have so many problems right now. But what they really need necessary is food, is medicine, cosmetic, and surveillance is another big field. You will learn more within the next few months with technology in case of surveillance, yeah, military observation, forest fire fighting. You saw from California to Berlin this summer to Greek, all around the world, more and more fire. Yeah, forest fires are coming up. Yeah, transport, yeah, of organs, but other stuff. Yeah, 300 kilometers per hour, a drone. Can you imagine? Different kind of sizes. So that is huge technology and things like that. 67 plus patents and technologies are involved in this investment fund, multiple companies, local companies. And so a lot of value is created non-stop. So for those who are not familiar with these CO2 certificates, a little bit background. Like I said, yeah, the industry companies, they like to reduce their emissions and greenhouse gases, yeah, but they can't go to zero, yeah, so fast. They go slowly by slowly, they're trying, but there's an incentive, yeah, to have a financial cost or even not. Yeah, so that's why they try to reduce, but they can't reduce. Yeah, so an airline need to use kerosene, is producing greenhouse gases, and need to pay every single year millions into CO2 certificates, yeah, to those projects who are dealing with the CO2 certificates recognized, yeah, by their work for the nature. So, and this race to net zero, you can see all those industry nations here in the rainbow, the flags and their goals, little, yeah, numbers, but 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, yeah, to reduce, to come to a certain point of reduction. Yeah, and why is this so needed? Yeah, in the atmosphere, more and more greenhouse gas is there, and it needs to be removed there. It needs to be a balance. Yeah, and for that, we need soils, plants, forests as the big absorption for greenhouse gases from the atmosphere, and this is supported by all those big industry countries and governments worldwide. You can see also the three big producers of greenhouse gases, China, USA, and India, all are signed, all are on board. And year by year, the market is increasing. Until 2027, expected 2,400 billion of trading volume, CO2 certificates, carbon trading. Yeah, so it's a huge, huge, trillion-dollar market. Yeah, it's in the 2.4 trillion, yeah, per year. So even bigger than the crypto market. Yeah, right now, 2 times, 3 times potentially. So, and imagine you can participate. So now let's talk about cryptocurrency and the effect of an increasing price. So I talk about mechanics, yeah, and every single project you will see, you will find in the future in our minting category will have specific mechanics, yeah, to participate from this industry, from sales, from production, yeah, from something real, okay, real economy, I call this. Yeah, we have our community minting here on the left side, yeah, with the underlying hardware of Zeniq hubs and the add-on master nodes of Tupan. Okay, so everyone can join, everybody can start from a 100 euro in a minting pool or to a 1,200, 300, 1,300, sorry, full add-on, Tupan add-on here and daily production of Tupan tokens. So then we have the fund in the middle, yeah, starting with 369,000 hectare, yeah, but the owner is very familiar with the banking business. He is owner of an own investment bank, yeah, very well connected in the banking world. So they will use financial instruments to buy more and more rainforest land, to generate more and more CO2 certificates, yeah, and to produce more and more medical products, food, cosmetic, etc. Okay, so production, yeah, and non-stop generating CO2 certificates. So an economy circle, one of its kind. So, and from those profit, yeah, from the sold CO2 certificates, the investment fund is buying back the Tupan token from the exchanges. Yeah, so if we like to sell, we can sell on the Zeniq swap. That's the first exchange. Yeah, in the middle of this month. Yeah, the listing there, and then other exchanges we can sell anytime. Yeah, without limit. And the investment fund is buying back. The investment fund is creating the demand. Okay, by side of any kind of people, traditional investors, yeah, accredited investors, whatever. Yeah, so there will be a big demand in the beginning for sure, a much bigger demand than supply. But we're starting right now by zero. We're starting by zero. Yeah, so we're starting with the first Tupan tokens by all those people who bought already a master node. Yeah, so there's no I had produced a supply or something like that. We only have a zero supply right now. Okay, so the demand is already very big. I have people calling me, yeah, 30 minutes ago, an hour ago, when is the start? I prepared already my USDT, I prepared my Bitcoin, I prepared this, yeah, but I like to buy in addition, yeah, to my minting master nodes, also some tokens at the beginning. So it will be very interesting to see, yeah, by exchange start in around 2 weeks then to see the price development from the beginning, yeah, aside of the demand created by the investment fund. But this investment fund is buying back the tokens, yeah, not for speculative reasons, yeah, to hold these tokens inside the fund, yeah, and with the increasing price of the token, the fund's balance sheet will also increase, yeah. So it's like an asset inside the fund. The price is going up, the fund's balance sheet is going up, yeah, and the credibility, yeah, also to buy new land is increasing. It's the same like you have a company and you own a lot of real estate, a lot of land, yeah, so your balance sheet is increasing in assets, in land, in real estate, yeah, so it's the same. So this is non-stop the fact here. So increasing assets in the fund, increasing price of the Tupan token is in addition also additional increasing the balance sheet of the fund. And new land will be bought, new CO2 certificates will be generated, and a lot of products will be produced and sold. Yeah. So do you know now where it comes from in this case? Yeah. So it comes from economy. It comes from something big. Okay. If I see into all those funny crypto pop-ups there, I cannot see any use case. I cannot see any demand outside of those funny networker communities. There's nothing. There's nothing behind. Yeah. So it's only short boom. Yeah. Few months manipulation with the mini supply, and that's it. Yeah. But there's no production. There's no company involved outside offering services or even major markets like CO2 certificates here. This is really big. Okay, so this man is also very big, yeah. So he is huge in his own education. He is, you can see, ambassador of the criminal code in Den Haag, yeah, for children's rights, human rights, and environmental rights. Yeah, he has a massive education, MBA, and strategic business management. Yeah, also Oxford University, studied one of the most famous universities in Europe. Yeah, founder of a boutique investment fund, founder of 5 SEC regulated investment funds, founder of the world's first and only ESG token with financial backing by the Forest EU Green investment fund. Yeah, so ESG, if you Google this, it's a $1 trillion market. Yeah, the world is changing in any direction. Yeah, and if you go with this flow and with these trends and with these major markets, yeah, you will be a winner of the future. And it's very important to understand. Yeah, the world is changing so massive right now. Yeah, and this is for me the biggest opportunity. Also, he is mentor for blockchain and tokenization task force, United Nations in Dubai and India. There's so many fields: financial engineering, tokenization, regulatory framework, etc., etc. So we will see a lot of products, a lot of technologies from the house of Tupan by side of this, what we discussed it here with this investment fund. Okay, so from the user's point of view, there are two possibilities. Yeah? If you are already owning an Zeniq hub, yeah, so the underlying hardware, then you only need a Tupan add-on, yeah, masternode, and you can produce straight, yeah, your Tupan tokens. Right now, we started only a few days, yeah, before this webinar today. Yeah, you can see we are by almost 100%, 99.7, something like that. If you are by a Tupan master node today, you will produce around about, yeah, almost 100 Tupan token per day. Yeah, it will start a few days after. That's important to know. Yeah, there are 4 phases. It's a specific minting technology. It's like in nature. Yeah, pollination, irrigation, blooming, and harvest. Yeah, so it's like planting trees. Yeah, putting water on it and creating with the interaction of all those Zeniq hubs. Yeah, the underlying hardware. Yeah, and these tokens will be created. So expecting it. In the last 24 hours, yeah, the first Tupan tokens are created, and now the next day, tomorrow, yeah, we will see more and more upcoming, and then this daily minting factor will be achieved. Yeah, so a few days from the minting start, if you buy a master node, you will receive the first tokens, and then in a daily rhythm, yeah, in a daily matter for many years to come. Yeah, influenced by 2 halvings. Yeah, but alone in the first year, in the second and the third year, you will have so many tokens. Imagine with around about 100 tokens to start. Yeah, is a few thousand in month number 1, and we will see this September already a nice FOMO. Yeah, but the demand, what I see also from external investors, from team partners, is huge. Yeah, and like I said, the backup from the investment fund is very important. So 998 one time, no expenses, no running, yeah, cost or whatever. Yeah, you produce by day 1, you are around about 100 tokens. So for those who not owning a Zeniq hub, they can start in the category minting pools. Yeah, there are also underlying Zeniq hub hardware, yeah, carrying these Tupan nodes, but they are provided by Zeniq itself. Yeah, and you only need to buy the add-on, and this full add-on here costs only 1,298. It's a fantastic price. Yeah, those partners or customers who started last year with the Zeniq minting, they know what I mean. Yeah, so Zeniq hub was starting by 1,500. Yeah, and people who coming last year at this time, they don't enjoy 100 token a day or 100 coins a day in case of Zeniq. No, they get 50 or 40 or 30 or even less per day, and they're very happy. Yeah, so this is a huge number with a huge minting factor, yeah, to produce with this one-time payment here for the next 10 plus years on a daily basis. Tupan tokens, and you can sell them anytime, anywhere. Yeah, so you're completely flexible without freezing, wasting period or whatever. Yeah, so absolutely amazing. And with the shares, you can start by 100 euro. Yeah, 135, you can see a share, 132, yeah, a share of 1/16 of a master node, 1/8, a quarter, or a half node. Okay, 700 euro, you will produce around about 50 Tupan tokens a day. For 400 euro, around about 25. Yeah, with 220, it's around 12. Yeah, and 135 is around 6, and around 3 with a 100 euro. So I can recommend the 100 euro, but with 135, you have twice the number, twice the production every single day. Yeah, for 220, you have 4 times yeah, the production of a 132 share for 100 euro. Yeah, so a few dollar or euro more, yeah, you have here massive more Tuban token per day. Okay, so that is about the minting. Then we have the halving. The sales halving has started. That's why we have not these round numbers anymore. Yeah, you saw 99.7 as an example. That's round about the minting factor at this moment. And each 2,000 master nodes we are selling, yeah, this minting factor will decrease by 1% for the new customers, not for the old customers. Okay, it's always sales halving about your entry in the minting. Okay, so if I start, let's say, in 3 months, and I buy at this time, yeah, in let's say December, Tuban node, for sure, we will have sold thousands of devices, yeah, until this time, and it can be that I have an 85. Yeah, also fantastic, 85 a day as a minting factor, yeah, and in 6 months from now can be if we have 70, yeah, also fantastic, yeah, for those people, yeah, at this stage and with this price, yeah, from 3 months ahead, yeah, so it's fantastic, and the advantage is on you, yeah, almost 100% minting factor right now here in the beginning of this Tuban minting. Then this is the entry point. Then we have the time halving. Yeah? Like Bitcoin has a time halving every 4 years. Yeah, on 1 day, cut in half, difficulties up. Yeah, you produce less Bitcoins than before. So this is a floating, yeah, time halving. Yeah, and it is yearly. So we will have over 52 weeks, week by week, slowly by slowly, yeah, a decreasing minting factor, slowly by slowly, not in 1 day, like Bitcoin, cut in half. So 50% less each year, but for more than 10 years, your minting is running. And in summary, you will have tens of thousands of Tuban token alone in the first 5 years. The rest is desert, yeah. After lunch comes the desert, yeah. So can be a huge desert, yeah, but the next 5 years, they are most important, but you will have the majority, yeah, of tokens already minted, and it will run and run and run on a daily basis. So that's amazing, yeah, without any traditional expenses. And then we have for sure our SAFIR recommendation marketing. And we make it short and simple today. We go not too deep. Yeah, we have different categories of technology. Yeah, so you will be amazed what we will get in our shop. Yeah, in the next few months. Yeah, in case of blockchain technology, health technology, also something nice in energy technology. Yeah, so with yeah, very interesting concept we will present on September 17 also here. Yeah, very interesting application also combined with that. Yeah, so stay tuned for this. And then our amazing comp plan. Yeah, and I know everyone will promote his concept. His comp plan is the best and the best and the best. Yeah, but those of you who are into this business and experienced leaders, yeah, and knowing what is a binary plan, what is a unilevel plan, what is a matrix plan, guys, there is no better plan in the world. I can promise you, and I can discuss this with every single one of you, and in the end of the day, I will be the winner. Yeah, compare it to any plan you want. Yeah, the biggest mistake is that people in the beginning looking, okay, unilevel plan, but now they're starting to compare a unilevel plan, yeah, with a binary plan or with the matrix plan, and is there a percentage more or less, but forget it, yeah. I can remove the whole unilevel plan, and I have the best payout in the industry, only with income number 2, with the career levels, yeah. But if you reach a certain rank, yeah, diamond ranks as an example, yeah, you will have, yeah, of your performance volume, 10% and more. Doesn't matter which level, 100 level, 50 level, 1,000 level. Yeah, so you are better only with the rank bonus than any binary plan, than any unilevel plan, than any matrix plan limited in the levels or whatsoever. You are better alone with this crazy career rank bonus, and this is accumulated, guys. So there's no monthly time frame and you start by 0. Yeah, and again by 0 and again by 0. No, it's accumulated, guys. That's amazing. Your sales is always with you in the next month, in the month after, and is counting for the next rank already. That's so amazing, and only really to recognize for people who are into it, who are achieving this rank. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. I hit the next rank. Yeah, the next rank is always shorter than to start any business in the world. Yeah, but you are already on the way to 1 million or yeah, 40,000 diamond rank bonus, 80,000 double diamond, 150,000 triple diamond for 3 million accumulated sales. Yeah, you have already, yeah, 40,000, this is 68,000 plus 80,000 plus 150,000. Count this together. Yeah, so then the next rank is a 300,000 rank bonus. Yeah, by 5 million, you get another 500,000. This is already 600,000. Yeah, over 600,000 accumulated rank bonus. Yeah, then the next rank, another 500,000. We had this already. Yeah, then 1 million, then 2.5 million, then 5 million, then 10 million, and then 20 million, the highest of the highest ranks, all accumulated, guys. So this is around about 40 million only in rank bonus, and we're talking about euro, not pesos. Yeah, so, or any other currency. Yeah, and then 10% of the worldwide sales will be shared in the world bonus pool. And with only 10,000 euro, dollar, it's almost the same. Yeah, performance and a few customer, you are qualified for the world pool. And on September 17, guys, you will learn the, yeah, it's an extension or let's say upgrade, yeah, in the world pool. And this will be amazing for those who are doing a little bit more than others. Yeah, some people doing a little bit more than these people. Yeah, you will get amazing numbers. Yeah, from 10% of the worldwide sales paid. Yeah, every single month, an additional bonus pool income here in the share you can qualify it. Yeah, massive, massive. So again, SAFIR next level, don't miss these informations. If you can make it possible, come over. We have amazing stuff prepared in the event, around the event. You will miss it if you are not there, believe me. Yeah, it will be history. Then the next level, after this next level, is then November 13. And guys, believe me, it is so huge. Can you imagine the values of a skyscraper, yeah, in New York or in London or in Dubai, yeah, gold mine, commodities. With a single commodity field, you can bring in billions in one step on the blockchain. And these values, these billions, yeah, are the backup of specific tokens. And these volumes of billions with one single asset-backed token is running on the smart chain. It's making transactions, yeah, transaction fees, burning Zeniq, the house coin of this exchange. Yeah, you can imagine if there are hundreds of projects with assets backed, yeah, what kind of values, what kind of transactions, yeah, and exchange fees are generated by this. Yeah, this is not crypto world anymore, guys. This is Champions League. This is the next generation. And this next generation asset-backed token market, yeah, with real world assets will be much bigger and bring much more people in this crypto world than Bitcoin and Ethereum has done so far. This is kindergarten. This is a sandcorn in the sky, the crypto market. It is not to compare to the stock market, to Forex market, to derivatives, or to other financial markets. It's nothing. It's like I said, it's not even the value of one big technology company. Yeah, not even the half of it. Yeah, so this is coming with November, and this is so huge. So stay tuned. You are in the Champions League. Don't look left, don't look right. Look only in the center to SAFIR and Zeniq, and then you will be recognized. Yeah, also nice promos will be announced on September event for December. Yeah, the SAFIR Global Summit in Madinat, the nicest area in Dubai. I love this area. Yeah, close to the Burj Al Arab. Yeah, it looks like Venice and 1001 Night. Yeah, so unbelievable skyline, hotels, swimming pool landscapes on one side, the ocean on the other side, restaurants. Like on this picture, you get a little bit feeling. Yeah, we will have 4 islands. Yeah, a famous place with the open air on one day, inside one day, big event. Yeah, one day for the Diamonds Extra, and technology will be there. Yeah, so the Starship will land on this event, guys. So people will go crazy. Yeah, don't miss the next 3 months. Yeah, so stay tuned and go into this opportunity. Choose the best products for you. Best minting factor, almost 100%, 100 2-pound token a day to start with is huge. Yeah, you will have a big show effect. Yeah, in December, also by listing Zeniq Swap 2-pound token price. Oh, look at me, I get 100 per day. Yeah, with one, yeah, or even more add-ons, you can produce much more per day. So you can show, and people will be jealous. People will be buying like crazy if they see what happened and what kind of technologies are behind and coming on top of this. Yeah, so now talk to the person who invites you, and I'm looking forward to see you, yeah, in Dubai in September, in December, whenever you have the opportunity to drop by. And yeah, all the best. Yeah, go to your host and let's build something big. Thank you for being here. Sorry for my voice. It's going better and better, but yeah, look always in the back office for the next meeting schedules. And thank you for being here. Have a nice evening and see you soon. Take care.